So the casino is broken up into two sections. You have the upper area, which is all the entertainment. You have the live music. You've got the cowboy bar. You've got a sports bar. They've got bowling up there and games. And then you go downstairs, and that is the main casino floor where they do all the gambling. One of the biggest challenges of the casino job was the pace. So the timeline on this job was moving pretty quick. There's a hard deadline, and they're going to open the casino on this day. The biggest problem that we had with all of the trades were all working at the same time. One of the things that Dobil has that really works for us is we have a good crew of people. And we have a crew of people that have a wide variety of skills. And we have a pretty good pool of employees. So when we get to a point where, maybe things got held up for a week or so and we're falling a little bit behind, we can put more people on the job and catch back up again really quickly.
I've been in this industry for a long time, and I've worked with different vendors, and I will say this, Dobil's probably the best one I've ever worked with. They were ahead of everybody else putting in all the stuff. Pretty much anything that they needed to do, hang TVs, fabricate, whatever, they were able to get it done. Like I said, they were literally, they could only do so much up to a certain point. They were behind the construction crew, but they were actually ahead of everybody else.
The system had 110 different zones of audio. We had over 200 displays in the TVs. We have 3 different control rooms. One room was basically dedicated more to the video wall, the giant video wall. We have equipment in there, and we have some audio equipment in there as well. The main control room in room 272 has all the main racks in it and provides all the video distribution throughout the entire system. We're using an RF distribution system there. We've created a cable TV system in the building that has 48 channels of digital TV. So every one of the TVs in the place can be tuned to a specific channel for whatever you want to watch. The whole system is controlled with an iPad. So the AV guy can walk around the facility with an iPad, and he can actually control every single television in the place, every single audio zone in the place. He can select what audio is being played where, and it's very easy for him to use.
I would recommend Dobil, like I said before. I've worked with a lot of different vendors before, and I'm honest by saying this, that Dobil is by far the best one I've ever worked with.